investors are the one, they are ready to take money for you. Your idea is that is appropriate for me and surround yourself with the right people. Okay, if you don't inform your family, I'm going to start a business. What do you do? They will be okay. Compulsory 99% they will say no. Because it's a risky. Okay, so you have to go with the, even your friends. They will say no. So treat the right people. Okay, you can go ahead. I also will support. Like this, you have to take the right people around yourself. Next, find a location and build a website. Okay, where you are going to start a startup, that is the important. Where there is a demand, there you have to start. If I start to order here means order. And I start the order, here with the UI button, here button. Note this one. So like that, you have to find which location is demand. There you have to start your business and build a website. Because now it is wonderful. Online, everybody are getting their through mobile, they are getting their search. Instagram, all social media. When you get a marketing expert, so totally marketing is enhanced to the everyday people. You have to market your product. Okay, so you are designing here, span to the 4 years. This is the plus point, this is the minus point of other fans. Like that, you have to market to the marketing expert to the marketers. Then they will buy your products, build a customer base. So you can go to the Ibrahim button, you can see many restaurants they have again. Before 4 years, there are only 3 or 4 restaurants. Okay, before 4 years, we can't get more than 65 years. So before 4 years, only 3 or 4 restaurants. Now more than 10, 15 restaurants again. And each restaurant, there is a certain flavor. That is called customer base. So some restaurant